Sabrina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about my May sewing plans for 2020. I'd like to start off with an item that I am embarrassed that I have not finished yet because I have been planning on making this probably for 2 months now. It's been cut out for over a month and I just haven't done it. So without further ado, let me reintroduce you to V9253 because I was extremely excited to do this dress. And then I think I ended up getting like the project dread where you are nervous that it's not going to turn out well, or you're so excited about something, but then you're worried that when it's over, you might be disappointed. I'm not sure. Occasionally I get that with projects, and apparently this project was one that stirred up that feeling inside me. So as you can see, I have everything cut out and it's all just sitting here all beautifully in a nice little neat pile, and I'm going to stick it right on my desk where I have to stare at it every day so that when I have a free moment, I go ahead and get it done. The weather's starting to warm up, so I need to get this done so I can actually wear it when it's hot outside. So I'm going to give that a go and try to get it finished in the month of May. In the month of April, I ended up making a lot of baby items because I had a few friends have their babies between the end of March and into April. So I'm probably going to make a few more things. I love making baby stuff. It's just, it goes by so fast and I know it's going to get used. So on that note, I am going to make, out of these two flannel colors, I like to get a plain coordinating color on top of a regular like snuggle flannel print, just to make one side kind of plain and whatever, and then the other side kind of fun. So this one I went with the cute little turtles and the little orange fish on a white background. I picked this pattern out because my one friend, when she was having her baby, they didn't know if it was going to be a boy or a girl, and they didn't really have a color picked out for their nursery. So I asked her what I should get, and I think she just said animals. So I went ahead and I thought these turtles were super cute, so I grabbed these. So this is going to become just a simple car seat cover, something where you can still access the handle, but it has a light drape over the baby so that they are protected from the sun or a cool breeze from the car to the house or wherever you're going. So I'm going to go ahead and make that for them. And that shouldn't take too long. I imagine I'll probably just do this in an afternoon. The hardest part is going to be the snaps. I got a snap plier set and I can't seem to get the snaps to go on without the center pin morphing into some weird shape, and then the snap won't actually close. So if you guys have any recommendations, I'm sure I'm just doing it wrong. I've watched a couple YouTube videos. It seems fairly straightforward, but if you have any recommendations on how to install the snaps without damaging them, please let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate some feedback if anybody has had that experience, because I'd love to use it to make more baby stuff. I bought it specifically for this car seat cover and other baby items that require snaps because I don't like sewing on snaps, and I've wanted snap pliers for a while. So if you have any thoughts on that, please leave them below. I would really appreciate it. Moving on to the next fabric. So this is another Joanne quilting. I think it's a quilting cotton, 100% cotton. And the thing I love about this fabric, let me cover my face for a second. The thing I love about this fabric is, I don't know if you can tell, so the shirt I made last month had this beautiful metallic gold detailing the flowers, and this one does as well, but it's silver. So I want to make the McCall's 80/40 shirt again, but I want to do view A. I want to make view A with view C's sleeves. So I'm going to give that a try. I really liked the way that this shirt fit when I made it last month, but I think I'm going to change it up a little bit because I want to turn that fabric into the cropped shirt, but with a skirt. So I'll turn it into a dress with the shirt being the bodice, and then I'll probably just make a simple gathered skirt with a button placket on the bottom. Just a little pattern mashup, I guess, change it up a little, but I really, really loved the silhouette of the top, and I thought it would make a beautiful dress because of the way that it's fitted through the waist. So I'll give that a try. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to try to film that one so that it's kind of like a sew along, and we'll see how that goes. In the month of May, I'm planning to do another pattern repeat. I made the Simplicity Mimi G collaboration pants from Simplicity 8749. I I'm going to change a few things this time when I make them. And this time I'm going to make them out of this fabric. It's just a really nice springy floral and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to do the same thing. I think I'll make it a few sizes smaller this time so that I don't have the fitting issues that I had the first time around, but I know that I'll get a lot of wear out of them if I can get them to fit like the first pair. So I'll go ahead and make those. I imagine they'll be a lot quicker this time around as well. So this is V9345, and I want to go ahead and make view E on this pattern. I just love this shirt dress. I love the like pencil skirt. It's kind of a loose pencil skirt, and the pleats at the top, just really cute. And then on top of that, it has a button placket, which I love button placket dresses. Sounds like I'm gonna make 2 this month, so we'll see how it goes. But that I want to make out of this duvet cover that I got from the thrift store. It has its own buttons on it, which I think is perfect. They go very well with the fabric, and I'm really excited. This should definitely be enough fabric to make that dress. And if I have any left over, I will definitely put it to good use because I don't think you find ditzy floral patterns like this very much anymore, and I just think it's absolutely darling. So I'm going to do my best to get all of those done. I'm trying to fill up my sewing plans with things that I know I can finish in one day. I feel like that's what kind of threw me off in April too, because I had a lot of first-time pattern attempts, and they were pretty much all a little complicated in their own way. So this month I'm planning to kind of keep it simple, do some repeats, and just fine-tune things and get some stuff filmed for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, thoughts, or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoy this kind of content so I know what to film for you in the future. If you'd like to stick around and join the Sewing Circle, consider subscribing to my channel. I put new videos out every Thursday related to sewing and other crafty shenanigans. I appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you have a wonderful day.